FlowTrack versus GoHighLevel, which all-in-one marketing platform wins. If you're running an agency, coaching business, or small brand, and you want to automate your marketing, funnels, and lead follow-ups, you've probably seen FlowTrack and GoHighLevel. Both call themselves all-in-one platforms, but one focuses on visual simplicity and the other on power and scalability. Before we dive in, if you're ready to build funnels, automate client follow-ups, and scale your business, you can start free with GoHighLevel and using my link below. Now, let's see how these two stack up. Things off, what is FlowTrack? FlowTrack is a visual marketing platform that helps you design funnels, emails, automations, and membership sites using a drag and drop flow builder. You can create funnels and landing pages visually, send email and SMS campaigns, design membership sites, and manage contacts in a built-in CRM, build automations using a flow diagram. FlowTrack is great for small businesses or solopreneurs who want everything in one simple interface. While on the contrary, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation system built for agencies, coaches, and growing businesses. You can build funnels, websites, automate email, SMS, and DMs, track leads through CRM pipelines, manage appointments and reviews, white label it for clients or sub-accounts. It's designed to be the marketing engine behind your entire business. And now let's compare them via ease of use. When it comes on to ease of use, FlowTrack wins for beginners. The visual flow system makes building automations super easy. You can literally drag connections between steps like a mind map. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, takes a longer while to set up as it gives you more depth. Things like multi-step workflows, lead scoring, and automated review requests. If you want simplicity, I would recommend that you go with FlowTrack as it is great. If you want power and control, I would recommend that you go with GoHighLevel as it would be the clear winner. And if we were to compare them via automation and CRM, this is where GoHighLevel pulls ahead. It automates your full customer journey from funnel opt-in to follow-ups and sales pipelines. You can even trigger SMS, DMs, and email sequences based on behavior. And FlowTrack, on the other hand, automates basic flows like sending a welcome email or reminder, but doesn't have the same deep CRM tracking or AI features. So if you're serious about scaling or managing multiple clients, GoHighLevel is far more advanced. And if we were to compare them via pricing, with FlowTrack, as you can see right here, typically it would start off at $69 per month, but at the moment they are giving a lifetime deal. So you can go onto their lifetime deal, as you can see right there. It would be $9.99, but their monthly plan would be $69. And with GoHighLevel, their pricing is $97 per month. And their most popular plan, which is the unlimited plan, is for $297. And the Agency Pro plan, which includes full white label and AI automation, is for $497. So FlowTrack is simpler and cheaper at first, but GoHighLevel replaces 5 to 6 tools: your funnel builder, email software, CRM, and scheduler, saving you hundreds monthly. Now, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose FlowTrack if you want a simple visual builder for funnels and automations, and you're a solo creator or small team, and you value ease of use over deep customization. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose GoHighLevel if you need advanced CRM and automation, you're an agency, coach, or growing business, and you want AI tools, white labeling, and scalable systems. So both platforms are great, but if you want a tool that can grow with your business, GoHighLevel is a smarter long-term investment. It's built to capture, nurture, and close leads automatically, all under one roof. and you can start off for free tapping on my link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast software breakdowns that help you scale smarter. Thanks for watching.